Okay, so we are literally in the same setup as yesterday's video, and I am filming this yesterday. I couldn't actually film this on the day that this is going up just because I'm working today. Okay, so welcome back. Anyway, hi, we're back, and as you can tell from this title, I am going to attempt to surprise my cousin. So basically, I have several million cousins because I feel like all Asian families have several million family members. But you know what? This one, she's a special one. I have a cousin, okay? She is called Amira. And I hope that she consents to me doing this because obviously I'm trying to surprise her. So I don't know if she even wants to either be on YouTube, be talked about, or yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. So yeah, let's hope that she's fine with all this. Basically, it's her, well, no, her birthday was on December 1st, but because I've been working and I've been really busy, I haven't been able to see her yet, so I'm gonna go see her today. This is what's going on. So she's basically in college, she's just turned 18, and I like text her mom to find out like what her college situation is for today, because my plan is to go up to her room and decorate it with a load of birthday banners, and I've got balloons that I need to blow up and stuff, and yeah, that's literally my plan. So obviously I need Amira to not be in her room or in the house, so she should be finishing around 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna try and get to the house before then, run up to her room, try and decorate it, make it look cute, and hope that she enjoys this. Okay, so basically this is her birthday bag. I thought I'd just show you what I got for her. And you know, I hope she enjoys all this. If she's going to be watching this video, if you are watching this video, I hope this all went well. Some balloons for her, some 18 balloons, and got some white ones as well that we're going to blow up. I'm going to have to blow these up on my own. Her card in here, I haven't written that. Okay, I need to do that. Let me just write her card. These ones, which I think are pretty cool, they're like black and they're kind of, I feel like I should like these. I like these. Got 2 of those to put up, and then because what birthday isn't like complete without a tacky happy birthday sign. Okay, for her birthday present, I was kind of annoyed because what I wanted to get her I couldn't get. So she loves Marvel and so do I, and she loves Spider-Man, she loves Tom Holland, she loves Spider-Man, so I wanted to get her like the new like Marvel, like the pop vinyls from the new Spider-Man film. But they're all either sold out because it's like Christmas time, or they're like available in January, which is not helpful whatsoever because her birthday was like 4 days ago. I had to get her like an older Spider-Man one. I'm hoping she doesn't have this. Okay, then this was such an impulse buy, but this was like just near the till. You know when you just, those impulse buys, like I work in retail, I should know not to fall for impulse buys. But look how cute this is. I don't know if this is a llama or an alpaca. I have no idea. And I know it's like Christmas themed and this is for her birthday, but I don't care. This is so cute. And I just thought, everybody needs one of these. Then I got her something which I think is really cool. I'm hoping she likes this. I'm also not really sure if she's gonna like this. But it's like a really cool necklace. Well, I think it's cool. So it's like this little rainbow crystal. And it's obviously on like a really long chain. Like, can you see that? Like, look at that. Look how cool that is. And it's got like a tree on the front. I just saw this and I just thought she'd like this because she doesn't wear like necklaces like this, you know, really girly ones. She likes, I think she wears like longer chains and stuff like that. I was gonna get her like some rings, but then I don't know her ring size, and then I didn't want to make it obvious and be like, yo, what's the size of your finger, you know? So I got her this. I hope she likes this crystal. I think it's kind of cool. I got her that as well. I think that's kind of cool. And then my favorite thing, because I'm just that astrology bitch, and she claims she doesn't believe in astrology, but she does. I believe her birthday is December 1st. She is a Sagittarius. But you know what? My rising sign is Sagittarius, so I've come to terms with them now. Okay, so I got this really cute mug. It obviously has Sagittarius on it. It's got the Archer symbol, and then on the back it says independent, optimistic and sincere. You know what? Amira is none of those things. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got. Well, not all. I think that's enough. That's a good amount of stuff, right? Currently 1:40 p.m. so I need to have breakfast. I haven't eaten breakfast today and it's almost 2 p.m. so I need to eat. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. And then my dad's gonna come get me, and then we're gonna go to her house. Oh, I need to go get her some cookies. She says she likes these cookies and I need to go find them. I might go. Okay, let's take, you know what? Let's take a road trip. I'll take my phone and we can go outside. We can go for a walk, you know, making Vlogmas nice and fun. Okay, so I just need to eat super quick and then I've decided I'm gonna walk. Pretty sure, this is like going off memory. I'm pretty sure one day she says she really likes little cookies. So I don't know if she means like boxed ones. Oh my god, hi cat. With the fresh ones. I'm gonna go with the fresh ones from the bakery because I feel like they'd be nicer. So yeah, we're gonna go to Lidl after I've got something to eat because I'm starving. And then we're gonna see which cookies I can find for her because I'm gonna get her as much stuff as I can. I'm back. Okay, so I managed to get some cookies and I don't know if she's even gonna like these. I would like them. They've got milk chocolate in there, so I don't know if she's gonna like these, but she can eat them anyway because now I've just walked in the freezing cold to get them, so I hope she appreciates that. Okay, so I have to leave soon to go start setting up the room, so I'm just gonna edit a little bit and then next time I'll be back will be, that's so creepy, it'll be when I'm decorating her room. Okay, there you go. You can you're supposed to entertain the camera for me. It won't be. Is it on? Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to blow it. No, she's got to wait until I finish. We finish.
She's got a lot of hemoglobins.
I'm like a tiny balloon. You did that so quickly. Okay, right. You can be the balloon. I'll get the banners done. The thing is, right. Last time I came, she was like, "Oh, I'll tidy my room," and it was all nice. And now, the one time I bring the camera, she's gonna be so annoyed. And Mira, when you're watching this, we're pissed off because you didn't tidy your room. These are nice, right? You know. So dark, but it's fine. Pretty.
No, not if you put that on.
I mean, it helped a little bit. That wasn't my bad for not bringing my light. It just.
What's the light?
It just goes on top of there. I'm so annoyed that she came back early. Yeah, so great. Well done, Amira.
Yeah, well done, Amira.
Was it her last lesson that got cancelled?
Yeah, probably.
So she ended up being home when I got here.
I hate when she's home early.
So do I, because she messes up my plan. This is so pointless. Her birthday's gone.
You know, she keep that up until his next birthday, they don't lose her.
What did you get for her? Oh, that's nice. I can't believe you're so good at this. Wow.
Like I said, I do GCSEP. I got a good cardiovascular endurance. You can tell which one you did.
I was expecting this to be a lot more dramatic than this, but there's just balloons on the floor.
At least it's good quality.
Exactly, that's the point. Because imagine you watching like makeup videos or something and then you can't see anything. It's
well, the camera's the lighting's terrible. So.
Yeah, the lighting is really bad.
You should let me do your makeup. I'll make it look beautiful.
We can do that one day. I'll remember to bring my light and then we'll do it. Oh, we can have a competition. Mary can do one side of my face, you can do the other, and we'll see who does it best.
I'll do it.
Oh, okay, we'll do that, but next time we'll do it. That'll be fun.
Well, I mean...
Oh. What did she do then? I haven't even asked her. What
she went to eat breakfast and...
She went to eat breakfast?
Yeah. I've got exams, so...
She's taking you...
She's taking me ice skating for her birthday.
For her birthday?
Yeah.
That's a smart person right there.
Have my lemonade!
No! That's not vegan!
Is that not vegan? Bring it down!
Yes, I can drink lemonade. Oh. Okay. Are you getting changed for the YouTube?
Yeah, because I look like a mess and it's not... That looks decent and I'm here in my uniform, that is not good.
And Mara doesn't look decent, she looks disgusting. Honestly, running out of places to put these.
Bring myself just for the sake of it.
No one can smell you, it's fine.
Listen, you know what I do? I'll spray myself, put deodorant on, put lip gloss on in
You're putting lip gloss on.
Just in case I have a dream about a boy and so I don't smell bad. And I don't look bad.
Okay.
So she's not vertically challenged or anything, it's just that I'm just really tall.
Tell them how old you are.
18.
No,
she's
so
17. I mean 17.
No, yeah. Why did I just believe you? I was like, yeah.
I'm actually 15.
Yeah, I don't know. I think you're 16. Yeah, because you're Capricorn. Yeah. She's a goat. Sounds like a really cringy happy birthday song.
My voice is better than that. I'm telling you.
She's just gonna be like, what's the difference?
The difference is that you can. What's the quote about being the odd one in the bunch? Always be the one with there's an odd egg.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but I can't remember what the phrase is.
Well, that's your one, darling, and the rest are mine.
Okay.
Then we'll get her.
There we go, got your music.
What?
Oh. Do you like your balloons?
Yeah, the 18.
She blew them up all on her own.
You, can you tell which one you did? This one. Yeah.
Banners?
The banners, yes, those are very nice.
Beautiful.
Actually.
Okay, there you go. That's.
Yeah, you put it on my TV and turn on the TV.
Okay, do you want to say hi?
Hi to who? She's putting this on YouTube.
What?
We're gonna be famous.
We're gonna be famous.
Yeah.
That's
I've been planning this all day, and then when you told me the other day that your friends did this, it made me sad because
Why?
I've had this.
How
shit.
hard-
I've had all of this for like a month, and I planned it like last month.
Well, it looks like it goes with your theme anyway.
Yeah, but
Just pretend you did all of this.
yeah. There you go. These are all mine as well.
Yeah, on this too.
Okay, great. Oh, here's your birthday present as well.
Take credit, kids.
Here you go.
Take credit.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's
It's cute. It goes with monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey
Can't believe I have that.
Hi.
Are they the right ones?
Yeah, little cookies.
Oh wow.
You listened to me.
I mean, I remembered.
You ruined her whole surprise.
Yeah, no,
What do you mean,
I
how?
was so upset, and then like I was like
broke
texting
her
your mum
heart.
the other day, asking like what time she finished, and she was like, oh, she might go to a play, and I was like, God. So she'll be back at like 9, and I was like, no.
Very
What am I supposed to do this?
Yeah.
that's what you do, isn't it?
Yeah, that's if you can't like see it. If it doesn't focus on it, that's why people do it. I don't know what it is.
A what?
I mean, actually,
What
already
did you
they
put
know what everything is.
How?
Because I showed them at home.
It's amethyst. I think
It shows growth.
Did you Google this?
She's so philosophical today.
I don't know what actually shows.
Oh, that's your favourite. That's my favourite.
The mug.
I got this mainly for me, not you.
Because now can I have my tea the one?
Does it say Sagittarius?
Yeah.
No, it's fucking Capricorn. Optimistic and sincere. I don't know if I agree with the optimistic bit.
I already said that before.
Why?
Because I don't agree with that.
That I'm optimistic.
You're neither of those.
am
You're optimistic for like 5 minutes and then you doubt everything.
I'm independent.
No, you don't. You need mum to do everything for you.
I'm
It's true,
sincere.
it's
Okay,
true.
fine, I'm sincere. Yeah. What out of 3?
To be fair, I didn't actually see the written stuff.
We already checked. You don't have that one.
Yeah, I know.
You're not even in it.
Yeah, I know.
You can hear it though. You'll be able to hear it.
I won't go on YouTube.
Yeah.
I watch Netflix now.
That's it. They're all done. Did I forget your card? Oh, it's there. Are you blind?
I didn't see it. I just saw the box. You kept it on. And I get.
Look at
That's
you,
from my
what's
mom.
it?
That's not from me. I spent enough money. Okay, great. That's it. I use it honestly. She's made me in such a bad mood.
Why?
Because you ruined everything.
How?
Because you cancelled your lesson.
I didn't cancel it. My teachers.
Look what you've done now. Are you proud
know.
of yourself?
My teacher.
Okay, we're back home. I'm back, and I'm actually starting to edit. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Yes. Okay, I don't even know if I explained this. I can't remember. I feel like it was very hectic when I was over at my cousin's. But basically, her college finished early. So instead of being home after 4, ended up actually being home before I even got there. So I just had to kick her out of her bedroom and be like, stay downstairs. That's what counts. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I need to edit, so I'm gonna go, and I will see you tomorrow for the next whatever it's gonna be.